jump. This is another default input that automatically maps to the space key. And we're currently and style you're going for. Now with our ground check implemented, jumping is extremely simple. All we need to do is check if we're currently grounded and if the player is pressing the jump button. And if that's true, we can simply set our Y velocity to some number depending on how high we want to jump. In fact, we can use this neat little physics equation to calculate the amount of velocity needed to jump a certain height. We simply take the square root of our desired jump height multiplied by -2 multiplied by our gravity. I love physics. So inside of our script, before we apply our gravity, we can simply go if input.getButtonDown jump. This
I wish my editor had the same colours. If and when you do any coding, everything has to be precisely the same. Like if there's one mistake, it won't work. So when you're coding, you've got to remember.
This is another default input that automatically maps to the space key. And we're currently grounded. Well, then we can set velocity.y equal to the square root, so math.square root of our desired jump height, and here
and that's basically how it's done.
Input.getButtonDown jump. This is another default input that automatically maps to the space key. And we're currently grounded. Well, then
it's grounded.
We can set velocity.y equal to the square root, so math.square root of our desired jump height, and here we need to go up here and create a public float with our jump height.
And that's how it's done.